up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we got Ryan and his STI. We just got some POV clips. I hope you enjoyed them, and he's going to give you a rundown of what he's got done to it.
Alright, so this is my 2019 STI. When I first got it, I had my access port from my 16 WRX, so I put that in day of, basically. And then after I broke it in, got the muffler deletes, and then from there, went full turbo back, intake, short throw, boost controller. I made 315 to the wheels. I forget how much torque I made, I think 320. And then after that, I got some 1050 ID injectors, and now it's making 340 to the wheels and 360 torque. And soon coming, we got equal length headers.
Stay tuned for that video. That's going to be a cool video. We'll do that in the fall. If you guys don't know, which you don't know, you're watching on the screen, it is 95 degrees out today. So the car might have heat, so it's hot. It's bad. You don't want this weather for the car. You want some nice, cool, dense weather. So we'll repeat this video in November or whatever. It went like 60. Nice, good boost weather.
With headers and intercooler.
Yes, equal length headers.
Yeah, equal length headers.
So, and a retune, so it's going to be a little different sounding. Quite a bit, actually.